If you want to unlink your PC from OneDrive backup, I'll show you the exact steps in this quick tutorial. This is useful if you no longer want your desktop, documents, or pictures folders automatically backing up to OneDrive, or if you simply want to disconnect this computer from syncing. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials. Let's jump in. First, look at the taskbar and find the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the OneDrive cloud, click it to open the OneDrive panel. From there, click the gear icon in the top corner and choose Settings. This opens the main OneDrive settings window, where you can manage syncing, backup, and account options. Next, go to the Sync and Backup section. This is where OneDrive controls which folders on your PC are being backed up to the cloud. Click Manage Backup to see the folders currently connected to OneDrive. You'll usually see Desktop, Documents, and Pictures listed here. To stop OneDrive from backing up your files, turn off backup for each folder you no longer want synced. Start with Desktop, then Documents, and then Pictures. Depending on your settings, OneDrive may ask you to confirm the change, so go ahead and approve it if prompted. This step stops those folders from automatically uploading to OneDrive, which gives you more control over where your files are stored. Now, if you want to fully disconnect the PC from Microsoft OneDrive, there's one more important step. Go back to the Settings window and open the Account tab. This is where you can manage the OneDrive connection for the current computer. Once you're in the Account section, click Unlink this PC. OneDrive will ask you to confirm, so select Unlink Account to finish the process. After that, this PC will no longer be connected to OneDrive backup or syncing. That means your files will stay on the computer unless you move them manually, and OneDrive will stop automatically syncing changes from this device. This is the best option if you're switching accounts, setting up a new cloud service, or just want a clean break from OneDrive on this PC. And that's it. You've now unlinked your PC from OneDrive backup. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.